Hey guys, it's me, Carolina. So happy you're here. Today I'm going to be cutting my own hair, which I always cut my own hair. Step one, done. Get your hair nice and wet. Choose about how much you want to cut off. Put that on one side in a ponytail, then match the other side. Make sure they're even. You don't want them too tight, as loose is better. And for this part, don't worry, don't be nervous. Hair always grows back if you make a mistake.
Well, not always.
I always look for that ponytail holder and cut right underneath of it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.